Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer funds between investments on Fundrise. Here's a detailed guide on how to transfer funds between investments on Fundrise. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to www.fundrise.com. And if prompted, click on login and use your account credentials to log in. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the Fundrise dashboard. This dashboard displays an overview of your investment and account balance. Navigate to the investment section by clicking on the Real Estate tab in the main navigation menu at the top of the screen to access your investments. In the real estate section, you can review your current investment and identify the investment from which you want to transfer funds. I do not have an investment, but if you do, you're going to find your investment here and you can manage your investment from here. So, click on the investment that you want from this page to view its details. Look for an option labeled Transfer Funds, Allocate Funds, or Reallocate, depending on your current update. So, look for that Transfer Funds, or Allocate Funds, or Reallocate within the investment details page. Click on this option to begin the fund transfer process. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer from the selected investment. Ensure that the amount is available in your account and meets any minimum transfer requirements. After specifying the amount, you will need to select the investment you wish to transfer the funds to. This may involve choosing from a list of available investments or funds. Click on the desired investment to which you want to transfer the funds. Review the transfer details, including the amount and selected investments. Ensure all information is accurate before proceeding. There may be a summary of the transaction, including any fees associated with the transfer. Click Confirm to complete the transfer process. You may receive a confirmation message or email notifying you that the transfer has been successfully processed. After completing the transfer, navigate back to your investment to verify that the funds have been successfully allocated to the new investment. You should see the updated balances for both the original and the new investment. Following these steps will allow you to successfully transfer funds between your investment on Fundrise. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.